Hey everyone, welcome back. Logan and Sam here. We have EZCLEAN attachments. We now have all three of the EZCLEAN cleaning washing tools, and we got a whole bunch of attachments, so stay tuned because we're gonna try them out and let you know which one we like the most.
All right, welcome back, guys. So we're just going to go through in no particular order. We're just going to start grabbing these and open these up and kind of give you initial thought of what it feels like, and then, like we said, we're going to show you in action. This is the EZCLEAN Power Cleaner Multi-Purpose Brush. So this is actually going to be, what's the part number here? Usually you can find the part number
right here on top.
So it's the RY3112MB. They say it's for cleaning tires, and then it goes to patio furniture, so, and more.
And more.
So it says that the water actually will spray through the bristles, so we'll see how that works, if it's, you know, kind of gimmicky or actually useful or anything like that. So, all right, so it's all plastic. The connector's plastic. So the quick connect, oh, it screws on.
And then that quick, oh, that quick connects.
So that quick connects. That doesn't actually have, that's weird. Why wouldn't they just,
yeah, why not have that?
This straight into the quick connect? Is there a reason for that?
I don't know.
Disconnect that. Guys, seriously?
See ya.
See ya, it's gone.
Huh.
Like that?
Yeah. You can brush sideways. Kind of weird. How's the bristles? It's kind of soft.
Yeah, they're more of a soft, I would say, on the soft side.
Next one we have here is the Power Cleaner 6-foot flexible wand. So this, I guess, is to reach into the hard to reach areas with the cleaner, which I'm a little, like, that's a two-handed tool, I feel like. Yeah. So pulling that and then using this will be a little bit weird, but before I get into this one is the RY3112FW. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. We're gonna, oh
baby. I cut aluminum with that, and lately it's been cutting landscaping.
It's all she wrote.
It's one of those tools you're like, I wonder if I use it all the time.
Wow, that is incredibly soft. Like, I thought it'd be like a harder rubber.
Yeah,
that's really, really soft.
Okay. So quick connect, easy connect.
Quick, easy connect. So the question is,
what are we going to connect to the handle?
I mean, are you doing this? Like, that's interesting.
But then you're holding,
you still have to pull that.
So you're holding it like this.
I don't know. Is it a two-man job?
Just pointing it. I don't know.
Yeah, but you could get this into a pretty tight areas.
That's true.
I don't know. Okay, cool. Next.
EZCLEAN. So the RYOBI EZCLEAN Power Cleaner Foam Blaster. So this is for
putting all the foamers out there.
Yeah, all you foamers. For putting in some soap and so you can foam stuff. RY3112FB.
FB.
So it comes with this, and actually you got a little teeny foam blaster all-purpose cleaner. Look at that.
With the foam. Or the soap.
I wonder if...
So you dilute it? You must dilute it.
What does it say on it? It has to be diluted.
You have to be diluted. So it's 50-50.
So since we're carrying on with this awkwardness of what the...
Yeah, let's see. Yeah.
Now you can...
Mobile foamer.
Foam this way.
Next up, the RYOBI EZCLEAN Power Cleaner Squeegee, which is weird to me.
We've been arguing where the water comes out.
Where does the water come out of this? So yeah, let's take a look. This is the RY3112SG. That's it. Dude, whoever said it came out the top, they were right.
I think
that's it right there. Yeah.
Oh, check that out. Yeah, that's a little...
I thought for sure that it was going to come out the bottom here so that you could like spray and squeegee.
That would be the more smart thing.
Well, but what you're doing is you're spraying and then
coming
squeegee.
down.
Yeah, so you're not actually touching the window.
Because it needs to be wet first.
Yeah, so you're spraying, and then squeegee.
Yeah.
Spray, stop, squeegee.
I wonder how because that does look like a pressure washer. Do we know what? Is it a PSI that is?
So that's probably
Like
the degree.
The degree is what.
Yeah,
it is.
it's probably mists. My guess is it's not like harsh.
It's just
but
a
I don't
mist.
know. We'll
Here it
find
is.
out.
Look at that. Plugs right in. Well, actually, this makes
That
more sense.
would make a lot of sense.
Now that just clipped in. I was like,
That makes
okay,
sense.
now I can hold this, put it down here and hold it
Yeah.
and be mobile.
Originally, I thought this was just more. We've got so many of these adapters now, these little quick connects. You got the one for the bottle, you got the one for your hose, you got the one that goes to your the bucket hose. This is the Easy Clean Quick Connect Kit, which again I thought was just a replacement kit, which it might, I don't know, might be. Anyway, RY3112CK. Let's open this up. So I like that it's green. That's
exactly what it does. Because that's the hose.
the hose.
What's this for then?
well, that's the
Hooks
question.
to another hose? Like, is it a quick connect extender?
Maybe. So this is what's important. The rest of them, we've got these because that's identical,
Yeah, it just turns into a quick connect.
and plus it's green.
Yeah, why do they do these ones green and black?
I don't know. Look at that. We got a brown, black, and a green.
There's this,
Gray.
the latest model.
Don't worry, I'll take the big one.
Here's the handle, and here's the old model. And instantly, guys, these ones have I guess it's aluminum, I'm guessing, or stainless
some kind of
steel.
metal. Not plastic.
Not plastic, and they're way sleeker and they just feel better in your hand. We're gonna go start trying these tools out, so we'll pan to that. But before we do, let us know, is there any easy, clean accessories that we need from RYOBI that we're missing that you guys can't live without? Comment below.
So first we're doing the bikes, right?
Yeah, we'll go wash the bikes.
We
We have a bucket, then we have a hose,
And then we got the bottle.
and the bottle, and we're gonna see how fast we can drain. Maybe we'll do the test on the bucket
See
and the
two
drain,
buckets
because these
drain.
are the 600 psi, and don't they have the same?
0.7 gallons per minute. So they should drain. Theoretically, those two should drain the bucket at the same rate. Bam, shabam! Look at this. Look at this monster.
Whoa. How is that heavy?
It's heavy. Like
Because
it's almost.
the water's hanging.
Yeah, I mean,
down.
I can almost hang on to that like just one hand, one finger. Like, look at that. It's balanced right there. That is the balance point, even with all of this water, all this weight. But there you go. It actually supports the bottle a little bit. Whoop. Easy.
I just feel like a dork, like with this, but it's just interesting.
Look how
So we have to
mobile I
try
am,
it.
though. Look how mobile I am. Like,
Dude, I
no
know.
cables. I'm not wrapped around anything.
This I'm still stuck to the.
You're double stuck. Right
I'm
there.
stuck to the bucket.
Cables everywhere. Look at that, I'm empty. That wasn't even a minute, was it? I mean, barely, maybe a minute. While they're doing that, I'm gonna fill this up with 4 ounces of water and the 4-ounce foam blaster for now. We'll see how long that lasts, and we'll use it on the. Wow, that's crazy.
So I like that I can. So with this handle, I can change angles. Like spraying this way, it will fill up my graphics kit. So the fact that I can just automatically do this and just go straight up, and I don't have to change. I'm not doing this. Is actually really nice. And I'm just hanging. So hanging is way less hard than holding it up like the whole time.
All that weight.
Yeah, all that weight. And now, obviously, a normal pressure washer, it's way lighter, so it's not a big deal. But with these, just being able to hang and then drag it around is awesome. Another thing is with this, I can get it so much closer than I get up underneath this rim where it's a lot harder to do with a full size.
Instead of laying the bike down.
Yeah. And then I'm constantly moving the bike forward to get different angles. All right, guys, here's our squeegee with our 6-foot extension wand. And here's where it sprays the water out. So we've got a window here. And it's actually got some pressure. Look at that, guys. That's pretty impressive. And then squeegee down. We're not really trying to, I hate streaks, but we're just trying to show you what it does versus trying to hit the streaks. Really impressive. That's actually pretty good. We thought it would be kind of dumb, a little bit of a gimmick, but in combination of this, I think you can wash a lot of windows, a lot of stuff. Pretty sweet.
All right, so finished up with all of the accessories. Kind of surprise on almost all of them, it felt like.
Yeah, for sure. There were the ones that we thought we would like we didn't like, and the ones that we thought were dumb, we loved.
We actually really like. So let's start with a couple that we didn't like.
Yeah.
And the first one, I guess this is more of a mix. I thought I would love it.
Yeah, the portability, right?
Yeah. So we'll start some positives, I guess. Some positives is it makes it completely portable. There's no hoses, there's no cables. It's all in one. Now, with the 40 amp or the 40 volt battery, it's heavy. Like, that's a lot of weight. But the problem is, with these now 600 PSI, 0.7 gallon per minute units, it was about a minute. And it was empty.
And that basically meant on a dirt bike, the size of a dirt bike, it didn't even finish spraying off the whole thing. Like, basically just getting it wet, not even really detailing it or anything like that.
So I think what you would have to do is turn down the settings, because that's one thing we haven't really pointed out is there are 3 settings. So if you go to the first setting, you could make this last a lot longer. But I don't know what application we were trying to think through, and it's not any application that we have. Maybe one of you guys let us know in the comments what you would use this for, where it's only a 2-liter bottle of water on the low setting, because we want high pressure. That's the whole reason we got the 600 PSI, was the pressure. So
I think the application would be if you had somewhere that was hard to access and you couldn't really get a hose or a big bucket, for example. Like, I know some houses will have like a window where it's just up on top of the roof, it's out of the way, and you don't want to drag a 5-gallon bucket, and you just want to go clean it off, and you want to go pressure washer. Having that mobility actually would work, but you just got to be careful about your water management.
Because it went quick. So
okay, and then the next thing, I mean, we kind of were wondering this brush. Like,
I didn't even know it had water through it.
We thought it was
I
just
couldn't
a
see
brush.
the spot for the water, so that was a surprise. I was glad that water comes through it, but
it's not. This is terrible. So the angle when you're trying to use it, it would be better just to use it as just a handheld brush. And then
we
the
did
water
at one
just
point.
I just took it off because when it's connected to the machine, there's no, you can't rotate it. It's just stuck at one angle, and so you're kind of just like awkwardly trying to you have to move everything to be able to get the brush to go up and down, and it's just not good. And then the water just kind of just spits out.
It's just a soaker.
Yeah, it's a soaker.
It's not it doesn't spray, it doesn't actually give any kind of direct pressure, so you really have to spray everything off first anyway and afterwards. So
and at that point, you just might as well use a handheld brush.
Extension wand, the funny thing is we actually didn't use the extension wand all but maybe once.
Just to try it.
Yeah, just really to try it. Because of how you can actually attach these sprayers directly to the EZCLEAN unit, the ability to keep it small was really nice. Now, if you had something higher up to reach or something, you could use this. Now, it doesn't give you a ton of reach, but
I mean, we have 2 of them, so technically we could do this and you get more reach.
Really get a reach. But for what we were doing this time, this is fine. Like, it works.
And it doesn't feel cheap. It's nicer than the
good
older
quality.
models. It feels quality.
Yeah. The sprayer head itself was as we expected. A little bit better than the 320 psi, but it's got the turbo, it's got the rinse and the 15 degree, which is cool. I personally still like having the individual nozzles. The quick switch is good, but it would be nice if you could put on any nozzle there.
So the squeegee, we were like, this is going to be dumb.
Terrible.
Yeah, it's like, who wants a squeegee that sprays water? But this actually is, it sprays.
It's pretty good. I think it's about a 15 degree sprayer. Like, and it's, so you're up there close and personal with the window and a 15 degree approximately.
And it has a good squeegee, so I think the only way to really use it though is with this attachment where you're holding this down, because it's like if you're trying to hold the whole machine up and it's trying to squeegee, like,
especially with the attachment.
well, like this, that just adds a ton of weight, where this I just keep it down my side all the way down, and it's like you can squeegee all day because it's not just muscle pressure and it's just hanging.
And one other thing you could do that we actually didn't try, but would be to put it with a little bit of an extender.
Yeah, so if you need further reach, you got, you know, a little bit more reach.
This one was surprising. Now, I'll start with one of the things I don't like. This opening is tiny, so getting the soap in there and the water in there was...
You can't just be dumping fast.
Yeah,
It'd be better to have something like the whole top screwed off and then...
Yep, so that would have been nice, the whole thing. However, one thing I really like about this is it holds 24 ounces, so you can spray a lot, and it's pretty conservative on the nozzle. You can dial this down, and it does a decent job. I think it foams as good as I would have hoped for handheld, easy, clean, portable foamer.
Yeah, I kept turning it down because it just put
too much
soap. Yeah. So now we have the handheld 6-foot edition, and earlier in the video I was basically saying this seems super dumb. Like, it just seems stupid. You feel like a dork using it. But actually, just like we were saying, is being able to just have the tool and use this, and the tool just hangs down, so you're not the constant pressure of trying to hold on to, because they're kind of heavy. Maybe if you have a normal pressure washer, the wands aren't that heavy. But the one thing is this allows me to get up under things, angles that you just can't do when it's a big long wand. And so I actually really like it. It was
the surprise. It was the best addition, the best of all of these. And in my opinion, it's the one to get. If you're only going to get one thing.
And it just connects to everything. So it's like, it's just the portability of everything was made it so much nicer to be able to.
The handle feels good. The hose feels good. The only thing that's weird or not sure about is this rubber gasket kept sliding up on us.
Slide down for some reason. So yeah, this was really cool. I really liked it. I think it's a win.
So guys, let us know in the comments what EZCLEAN connector you like the most. We obviously this is our thoughts, first impressions of these. We'll continue to use them and let you know. But let us know what you think. What should we use these on? Obviously we use them on the bikes, the truck. We use them on a house. We're going to take them up to the cabin, stuff like that. But let us know in the comments what you guys think. If you like the video, make sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff.
All right, see you guys in the next video.
Later. G.
I feel like there's a microphone. We just start using this.
Use that. Yeah, just hold it.
It actually has a really nice handle.
It feels good.
Super nice.
Pretty well in your wheel well.
Say that fast, and then add wheelie to that.
Wheelie in the wheel well?